Hi everyone, this is Miss Adriana here with another Imagination Factory STEM activity. So this week's theme is mythology, and so we are going to be doing the wings of Icarus. Now, if you don't know who Icarus is, it is a Greek myth. His father, Daedalus, was an inventor, and he wanted to invent a way for them to fly. And so he crafted these beautiful wings out of feathers and honey and sticks, and they actually worked. So Daedalus and his son Icarus went to test them out and to fly. And Daedalus warned Icarus not to fly too high because the sun would melt the honey that was keeping the feathers and the sticks glued together. But Icarus didn't listen. And so he flew higher and higher and higher, and when he got as high as he could, he noticed that the honey was starting to melt, and feathers were flying and floating down around him, and he fell into the ocean, right? So that didn't quite work out for Icarus. So we are going to craft him new wings to see if we can get him safely to where he needs to go. Okay, so for this one, you'll have in your craft pack a straw, and I cut them down. If you want to, you can cut it down further if you think it's too big. You should have Icarus, and then you'll just cut him out a little bit more just so that it gives the it kind of gives it a more aerodynamic, so that way it can fly better. Because if you just have this square of paper, that's going to affect how your wings work. So we're just going to cut him out just a little bit. I'm not doing super detailed. I'm just going around his head, his arms. I'm getting there just a tad bit. Nothing crazy. Nothing super detailed. Alright, so there's Icarus. And then you should have a couple of index cards. And what you're going to do is you're going to tape Icarus to the straw. And you may need a couple pieces to get him nice and stuck on there. Okay. Now once Icarus is nice and safe, you're going to cut out wings. So, and the point of this activity is to try to figure out what works best, what design works best, what design is going to get him the furthest. All right, so you can do squares like this. You can cut them in half and do triangles. And then the other one is like doing a teardrop shape, and cut as many as examples as you can and test each one to see how far he can go. And so I'm going to go ahead and tape these wings on here. Oops. Okay. And once you get your wings taped on, then you can make sure you measure how far he flew on each different type of wing that you made. That way you can compare and see which design worked better for getting Icarus across the ocean safely. All right, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Let us know on Facebook what your results were, okay? Bye.